Greetings to all. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Myself Sanchita Sanand, a first year law student from Galgotias University and currently working as a legal intern at Lexazan Company. So today I am here to talk about the Limited Liability Partnership Amendment Bill of 2021. So the Limited Liability Partnership Amendment Bill of 2021 was introduced in Rajya Sabha on 30th of July 2021. The bill seeks to amend the Limited Liability Partnership Act of 2008. The Act provides for regulation of limited liability partnerships. Limited liability partnership is an alternative corporate body formed to traditional partnership firms. Under the limited liability partnership, a partner's liabilities are limited to their investment in the business. The bill converts certain offences into civil defaults and changes the nature of punishment for these offences. It also defines small limited liability partnership, provides for appointment of certain adjudicating officers and establishment of special courts. The bill, which seeks to decriminalize 12 offences under the law and help improve the ease of doing business by amending the Limited Liability Partnership Act of 2008, was passed through a voice note. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said it is a very important bill and will bring positivity in the limited liability partnership ecosystem. She stressed the legislation will lead to ease of doing business. She said that with the passage of the bill, criminal offences will be brought down while ease of doing business will go up and partners will have more flexibility. The bill proposes to introduce the concept of small limited liability partnership in line with the concept of small company under the Companies Act of 2013. It will also amend certain sections of the Act so as to convert offences into civil defaults and to convert the nature of punishment provided in the said sections from fines to monetary penalties. So currently there are 24 penal provisions in the Act, 21 compoundable offences and 3 non-compoundable. Now let us have a look on what are the key features of this bill. First of all is certain offences decriminalized. That means the Act specifies the manner of operations of limited liability partnerships and provides that violating these requirements will be punishable with a fine that is ranging between 2,000 rupees and 5 lakh rupees. Second feature is change of name of limited liability partnership. That is, the Act states that the central government may direct a limited liability partnership to change its name on certain grounds. Failing to comply with such direction is punishable with a fine ranging from rupees 10,000 to 5 lakh rupees. Punishment for fraud. Under the Act, if a limited liability partnership or its partners carry out an activity to defraud their creditors or for any other fraudulent purposes, every person party to it knowingly is punishable with imprisonment of up to 2 years and a fine between rupees 50,000 and 5 lakh rupees. The bill increases the maximum term of imprisonment from 2 years to 5 years. Then is non-compliance of orders of tribunal. Under the Act, non-compliance with an order of the National Company Law Tribunal is punishable with imprisonment up to 6 months and a fine of up to rupees 50,000. The bill removes this offence. Adjudicating officers, that is, under the bill, the central government may appoint adjudicating officers for awarding penalties under the Act. These will be central government officers not below the rank of registrar. Appeals against the orders of the adjudicating officers will lie with the regional director. Special courts. The bill allows the central government to establish special courts for ensuring speedy trial of offences under the Act. The special court will consist of, first of all, a sessions judge or an additional sessions judge for offences punishable with imprisonment of 3 years or more, and second, a metropolitan magistrate or a judicial magistrate for other offences. They will be appointed with the concurrence of the Chief Justice of the High Court. Appeals against the orders of these special courts will lie with the High Courts. Appeals to the Appellate Tribunal. Under the Act, appeals against orders of the NCLT lie with the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal. So the bill adds that appeals cannot be made against orders that have been passed with the consent of the parties. Appeals must be filed within 60 days of the order. Small limited liability partnership, the bill provides for formation of a small limited liability partnership where first the contribution from partners is up to rupees 25 lakh. Turnover for the preceding financial year is up to rupees 40 lakhs. The central government may also notify certain LLPs as startup LLPs as recognized through notifications. Then is the standards of accounting. That is, under the bill, the central government may prescribe the standards of accounting and auditing for classes of LLPs in consultation with the National Financial Reporting Authority. So this was all about the Limited Liability Partnership Amendment Bill of 2021. Thank you so much for devoting your time and listening to my video. If you really liked it, then please like, share and comment. And do subscribe to our YouTube channel Let's Click for more upcoming such videos. Thank you so much and have a nice day.